Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wished you had a digital assistant who could tackle those tedious tasks, answer questions in a jiffy, or even write creative content for you? Well, guess what? You're about to enter the exciting world of AI agents, where you can build your own intelligent helpers. In this essay, we're going to break down the process of creating AI agents step by step. No need to be a coding wizard. We'll keep it fun, simple, and full of real-world examples. Get ready to unleash the power of AI and build your very own digital sidekick. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, and let's dive into the world of AI agents. By the end of this essay, you'll be well on your way to creating your own intelligent assistant. Let's get started. Before we jump into building our AI agent, let's get familiar with some key concepts. These concepts are the building blocks that will help us understand the intricate details of AI development and ensure we can create a robust and efficient agent. Think of it like gathering the ingredients before baking a delicious cake. Just as a baker needs flour, sugar, and eggs, we need to understand the core components of AI to create something truly remarkable. First up, we have large language models, or LLMs. These are the brains behind our AI agents, powerful AI systems trained on massive datasets of text and code. LLMs can process and understand vast amounts of information, enabling them to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. They can understand and generate human-like text, making them perfect for building conversational agents. Whether it's answering customer queries, providing recommendations, or even engaging in small talk, LLMs are at the heart of these interactions. Next, we have prompt engineering. Imagine giving instructions to a chef. The clarity and precision of your instructions will determine the quality of the dish. Similarly, prompts are the instructions we give to our LLMs. We need to craft these prompts carefully to guide the LLM in generating the desired output. A well-crafted prompt can make the difference between a useful response and a confusing one. It's an art and a science, requiring a deep understanding of both the LLM's capabilities and the task at hand. Finally, we have agent architecture, which refers to the structure and components of our AI agent. This includes how the agent processes inputs, makes decisions, and interacts with users. Think of it like the blueprint of our agent, defining how it interacts with users, processes information, and makes decisions. A well-designed architecture ensures that the agent is efficient, scalable, and capable of handling complex tasks. Understanding these fundamental concepts will lay a strong foundation for building effective and intelligent AI agents. By mastering LLMs, prompt engineering, and agent architecture, we can create agents that are not only functional, but also intuitive and user-friendly. Now that we have our basics covered, let's move on to the exciting part, building our very own AI agent. This journey will be both challenging and rewarding, as we apply these concepts to create something truly innovative and impactful. All right, folks, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI development. Building an AI agent isn't as daunting as it sounds. In fact, with the right guidance, anyone can do it. We're going to break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Think of it as a recipe for success. Step 1. Define the objective. This is the foundation of our project. First things first, we need to decide what we want our AI agent to do. This could be anything from automating customer service to managing social media accounts. Will it be a customer service chatbot, a social media manager, or maybe a personal assistant? The possibilities are endless. Or maybe a personal assistant. Having a clear objective helps us stay focused throughout the building process. It acts as our guiding star, ensuring we don't stray off course. Step 2. Set up the environment. This is where we lay the groundwork for our AI agent. Just like we need a kitchen to bake, we need a proper environment to build our AI agent. This involves setting up our development tools and workspace. This involves choosing a suitable development platform, installing the necessary libraries, and ensuring we have all the tools we need at our disposal, and gathering any required data. Data is the lifeblood of any AI project, so we need to make sure we have access to high-quality datasets. Step 3. Create the agent. This is where the magic happens. We'll use our chosen platform and tools to build the core logic of our AI agent. This is the heart of our project. We'll use our chosen platform and tools to build the core logic of our AI agent. This includes writing the code for handling user interactions, processing information, and generating responses. This includes writing the code for handling user interactions, processing information, and generating responses. It's a complex process, but with patience and perseverance, we can achieve great results. Step 4. Test and refine. This is a crucial step in our journey. No masterpiece is created without a few revisions, right? The same goes for our AI agent. We need to test it thoroughly to ensure it performs as expected. The same goes for our AI agent. We need to thoroughly test it, identify any bugs or areas for improvement, and refine it until it performs flawlessly. We need to thoroughly test it, identify any bugs or areas for improvement, and refine it until it performs flawlessly. This step ensures our AI agent is reliable and efficient, identify any bugs or areas for improvement, and refine it until it performs flawlessly. This step ensures our AI agent is reliable and efficient, and refine it until it performs flawlessly. By following these simple steps, we can create our very own AI agent, ready to tackle the tasks we've assigned to it. By following these simple steps, we can create our very own AI agent, ready to tackle the tasks we've assigned to it. It's a rewarding process that combines creativity, logic, and technical skills. Now let's put this process into action with a practical example. We'll walk through a real-world scenario to see how these steps come together to create a functional AI agent. Imagine this. You're running an online store and you're swamped with customer inquiries. Every day, you receive countless questions about your products, shipping details, return policies, and more. It can be overwhelming to manage all these queries while also focusing on other aspects of your business. The constant influx of questions can lead to delays in responses, frustrated customers, and ultimately, lost sales. But what if there was a way to streamline this process and ensure that your customers receive prompt and accurate answers at any time of the day or night? Wouldn't it be amazing to have an AI agent handle those queries 24/7? Let's build one. An AI customer service agent can provide instant responses to common questions, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. It can work tirelessly, without breaks, ensuring that your customers always have the information they need. Plus, with advancements in AI technology, these agents can offer personalized interactions that make your customers feel valued and understood. First, we define our objective to create an AI agent that can answer common customer questions about products, shipping, and returns. This involves identifying the most frequent queries your customers have and ensuring that the AI can handle these efficiently. By focusing on these key areas, we can significantly reduce the workload on your human customer service team and improve overall customer satisfaction. We'll use a platform like Dialogflow, which provides a user-friendly interface for building conversational agents. Dialogflow is a powerful tool that allows us to create sophisticated AI interactions without needing extensive programming knowledge. It offers a range of features that make it easy to design, test, and deploy our AI agent, ensuring that it meets our specific needs. Next, we set up our environment by creating a new Dialogflow agent and defining the intents, which represent the different types of user queries our agent should handle. Intents are crucial as they determine how the AI interprets and responds to various questions. By carefully defining these intents, we can ensure that our AI agent provides accurate and helpful responses to a wide range of customer inquiries. For example, we'll create intents for product information, shipping details, and return policy. These are some of the most common areas where customers seek information, so it's essential that our AI agent can handle these queries effectively. By providing detailed and accurate responses, we can enhance the customer experience and build trust in our brand. Then we'll train our agent by providing sample phrases for each intent. Training is a critical step in the development process, as it helps the AI understand the various ways customers might phrase their questions. By including a diverse set of sample phrases, we can improve the AI's ability to recognize and respond to different queries accurately. For instance, for the product information intent, we'll add phrases like, "Tell me more about this product, what are the features, and what's the price?" These sample phrases will help the AI understand the different ways customers might ask about product details, ensuring that it can provide relevant and accurate information regardless of how the question is phrased. Finally, we'll test our agent by interacting with it through the Dialogflow console or integrating it with our website's chat interface. Testing is essential to ensure that the AI agent functions correctly and provides the expected responses. By simulating real customer interactions, we can identify any issues and make necessary adjustments before deploying the AI agent live. We'll refine its responses and add more training data as needed. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining an effective AI agent. As we gather more data from real interactions, we can further train the AI to handle a broader range of queries and improve its accuracy. This iterative process ensures that our AI agent remains a valuable asset to our customer service team. Voila! We've now built a basic customer service agent that can handle simple inquiries. This AI agent can significantly reduce the workload on your human customer service team, allowing them to focus on more complex and high-value tasks. It also ensures that your customers receive prompt and accurate responses, enhancing their overall experience with your brand. With further development, we can enhance its capabilities to handle more complex queries, process orders, and provide personalized recommendations. The potential for AI in customer service is vast, and by continuously improving and expanding our AI agent, we can stay ahead of the competition and provide exceptional service to our customers. So let's get started on building your AI customer service agent today.